versus Desierto, April 12, 2002. So public office is personal to the incumbent and is not a property which passes to his heirs. So, diba, it's not a property right, so it can't be transferred from one person to another by that public officer. But in reality, no, so parang it's becoming a family business. The father is replaced by the mother, and then the son, and then the grandchildren, and back to the grandfather, and so on and so forth. Sad. And then the heirs may no longer prosecute the deceased protestee's counterclaim for damages against the protestant, for that was extinguished when death terminated his right to occupy the contested office. So, this is the case of Abeja versus Judge Tanyada. Basically, in this case, no,